Want to know how to see someone follower list on Threads? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to see someone followers list on Threads. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open the Threads app on your screen. Then tap on the magnifying glass icon at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and search for the profile you wish to see the follower list on Threads. Here, tap on the followers option right above the following option. So this is how to see someone follower list on Threads. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.